We are tracking the tropics. We've been talking about Hurricane Erin for quite some time now. Here is the latest from the National Hurricane Center. Still a powerful Category 4 storm. Does have winds of 130 miles per hour with gusts up to 160, moving towards the northwest at about 13 miles per hour. It is forecast to stay pretty strong even as we go into Tuesday morning. And then it's going to gradually weaken as it does gradually turn a little bit more towards the north and then eventually towards the north and east as it does move over some cooler waters in the northern Atlantic. By the weekend, it'll continue to kind of decrease in intensity. By Saturday morning, the latest indications are it'll be a weakened Category 1 storm at that point. The good news is it does stay away from the continental United States. It stays away from Bermuda as well. Here are the spaghetti models, at least some of the main spaghetti models. Pretty good consensus here as it does turn a little bit more towards the north and then towards the north and east. This is the cone of uncertainty from the National Hurricane Center as well. If you look very closely, there's Bermuda, and obviously that's the east coast of the United States. So it looks like this will stay away from the United States, but it will produce some possible deadly rip currents along the coast of the United States, the east coast there. So this is what's steering the storm. High pressure out over the Atlantic, and we're expecting this area of high pressure to kind of build in over the southeast. So the hurricane is looking for a little bit of a weakness, so it finds this weakness in between these two areas of high pressure. And kind of notice it here, moving on out and then moving away from the United States. So again, good news is it looks like it stays away from the United States and it stays away from Bermuda. We're also watching this area, this way in the eastern Atlantic, the Cape Verde Islands there. As this moves generally towards the west, National Hurricane Center gives it a 50% chance or a moderate chance of further development. So this will be the next one we'll have to watch closely. But look at the satellite image there of Hurricane Erin, a very powerful storm. You look closely there, you can kind of see the eye and the eye wall. But here's our next one. We'll be tracking as it moves over the open waters. Did make it to Category 5 status. Erin did. It's the only hurricane we've had, and obviously our first major hurricane of the 2025 season, but we do know, at least it's forecasted to be a very busy hurricane season. Officially, the season does continue until November the 30th. Back here at home, yesterday was hot. It was humid. Did manage to make it to 92 degrees. Saturday, we only hit 87, so that was a little bit below average. We also had some rain on Saturday, and we had some rain on Friday, but no rain officially at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport yesterday. So far for the month of August, we've only had 2 completely dry days, at least no measurable rainfall at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport. So a very, very wet start to August. For today, we do expect at least a chance for some showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening hours. It's really during the hot part of the day. High temperatures in the mid-90s. Our average is closer to about 91. The record should be safe, 57 and 104. That 104 record was set in 1995. So 30 years ago, we hit 104. Sunset will be at 8:07 this evening. Here's our forecast for the rest of the day. As we do head into the afternoon and evening hours, you'll notice those showers and thunderstorms to develop, especially along and north of I-20. Once we lose the heating of the day, those rain chances will start to decrease. We'll have another at least chance for some pop-up showers and storms, it looks like, on Tuesday. Some cooler air will start to move in on Tuesday, slightly cooler, and then looking ahead towards Wednesday, expecting a dry day under mainly sunny skies. If we were to have a thunderstorm develop later today, not expecting any kind of severe weather, so general non-severe thunderstorms, if any, were to develop today. So that is good news. If we have those thunderstorms or showers develop, the greatest threat would be some heavy downpours. But European forecast model showing that chance for showers and storms tomorrow. Rain chances decrease Wednesday, Thursday, and then looking ahead towards Friday and to the weekend. The European model kind of keeps the rainfall around. Basically the same thing for the American model, keeping that pattern of showers and thunderstorms possible tomorrow with basically dry conditions Wednesday, Thursday, with better chances of rain Friday and into the weekend. Today, air temperatures in the mid-90s, but heat index values in the triple digits, maybe up to about 102. That's below heat advisory criteria, but nonetheless, That's still pretty hot and humid. Weather Prediction Center is indicating at least a possibility for some heavier rain over the next 7 days, especially kind of in the eastern half of the Palmetto State. And then as you get up to the upstate of South Carolina, possibly 4 inches of rainfall maybe in the upstate. So we're talking about a lot of rain over the next 7 days. Today, showers, a few thunderstorms possible. Otherwise, it's just going to be hot and humid, high temperatures, generally in the mid 90s. And we mentioned the heat index values in the 100-degree range, maybe up to 102. Tonight, lows dropping into the low to mid 70s, about where we started off this morning. Upper 80s tomorrow with still a chance for a few showers and storms. Near 90 degrees on Wednesday, upper 80s to near 90 on Thursday. And then as we do look ahead towards the last day of the work week, we'll go mid 80s on Friday, mid 80s over the weekend with those chances for showers and storms. Myrtle Beach forecast looking pretty good, kind of looking ahead towards the weekend. High temperatures in the low to maybe mid 80s. Same thing for Charleston, but there will be the possibility for some rain. It looks like Sunday morning in Charleston. Greenville, showers and thunderstorms expected Friday and possibly into the weekend. And we do expect warmer than normal conditions August 25th through August 31st.